Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to subscribe SAP Build Apps and how to install the booster. Booster will create additional rules required for the SAP Build Apps. And I have made a separate video for the trial account, how to register the trial account. If you miss that video, I will put the link in the description. Please go through it. Click on Services. Go to Service Marketplace. Here, search for SAP Build. Click on SAP Build Apps and click on Create button. Now the service name should be SAP Build Apps and plan should be free and click on Create. Now the creation is in progress, so click on Close and go to Instance and Subscriptions. Here you can see status of SAP Build Apps is processing, so we will wait till it completes. Now SAP Build Apps is subscribed successfully. Now close this and we'll open SAP Build Apps application. Now you can choose IAS, Identity Services. Now you can see access is denied. So that means after the Build Apps subscription, we didn't provide the access. So before that, we will install the boosters. Click on boosters. Search for SAP Build and click on Start. Now these are the prerequisite. Click on Next step. Now it will not create the sub account because its trial account is already created. There is insufficient quota. So click on Select sub account. So we will choose the trial sub account. Click Next. Here you can see sub account is selected as trial. Click on Next. Review all the parameters. Click on Next. Click on Finish. So the booster is installing. The reason to install the booster is it will create all the rules required for the SAP Build Apps. Now Booster is installed successfully. Uh, Click on navigate to sub account. Go to services. Click on instance and subscriptions. Now we have to assign the roles to the user. Click on security. Go to users and choose the user and go to roles collection and assign role collection. Here you have to assign the rules required for the SAP Build Apps. Click on assign role collection. Now go to instance and subscriptions and open the SAP Build Apps application. So again it's showing access denied. So you have to log off and log in again. Now you can see we can able to log into the SAP Build Apps. This is the SAP Build Apps lobby. So here you can create projects to build the SAP Build Apps application. Here you have to choose application or backend application you can create from here. That's it guys. If you like the video, hit like, share and subscribe to the Niner Tech to stay updated with the new contents.